Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Scotiabank is bolstering its cashless offerings to take advantage of new opportunities created by the COVID-19 pandemic. The company held its quarterly press briefing yesterday. The COVID-19 pandemic has made consumers worried about touching money, with many believing the virus can be transmitted by touching banknotes and coins, but there has been no evidence to support that claim. Nevertheless, more consumers are seeking cashless initiatives to make payments and do business. In line with that development, Scotia has announced plans to introduce a contactless card.
We are currently rolling out new capabilities, including EMV chip for debit cards, which the focus was initially on fraud, and EMV has a chip, so the chances of fraud are significantly reduced there. But the value of that technology is also you can have contactless, where you can tap to make your payments. And so that project is coming. Eventually, you'll be able to use your mobile phone to tap and make payments.
Executive Vice President for Retail Banking, Audrey Togwell-Henry, admitted that the digital demand is growing exponentially.
So if you think about ATMs, which is very widely used, and we have 272 ATMs right across the island, but we're seeing the increase in digital use and online sign-ups and digital transactions growing faster than even persons switching to ATMs.
And it's not just cash. The bank is also discouraging the use of checks during this period.
Sometimes we think of cash as just a risk for the transmission of the virus, but checks are also a risk because they pass from hand to hand. So we encourage our customers to use digital to make transfers online, and that gives the customer the freedom to access their funds at their leisure when they want.
It's not just about individuals making payments digital or using cashless. It's all about businesses. We have seen a significant shift in businesses wanting to make digital payments versus checks.
The World Health Organization has suggested that people should not use cash if possible, but the organization stresses that the suggestion is not a COVID-19 specific guidance with regards to using contactless payments. Playa Hotels and Resorts has secured a total of $224 million in additional financing. This has significantly improved the company's liquidity position. Playa raised $204 million and sold $20 million of its ordinary shares in a private transaction. Chairman of Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, which hold a 15% share in Playa, Chris Saka, said this major improvement validates Sagicor Jamaica's confidence that Playa will emerge successfully from the effects of the shutdown of tourism. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $140.72, the Canadian dollar $105.31. The pound is going for $179.56, while the euro closed at $163.20. The JSE index gained 342 points today, and the junior market index is up 41 points. Among the winners were Palace Amusement, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Proven Investments US dollar shares, Indis Pharma, and iCreate. Now on the losing side were Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Sagicor Select Funds Financial, Berger Paints, Dolphin Cove, and Jamaican Teas. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.